We recommend this product be installed by a competent gunsmith.
Modification of your firearm may nullify the warranty of the firearm's manufacturer.
No liability is expressed or implied for damage or injury which may occur from improper use or installation of this product.
You are responsible for the safe handling, legalities, and use of your firearm.
Warning: always wear safety glasses when working on firearms. Hey guys, I have a super simple install for you today. Today we're going to drop in the Apex Extended Takedown Lever for the Springfield Hellcat series pistols. Tools required for this installation are your hands. Installation of this product is pretty straightforward. First, we're going to field strip the gun in the same condition you see it here. We're going to take out the takedown lever. This is pretty easy. You're going to pull outward on it and rotate about 45 degrees forward, and then you're going to do a little twist and pull it right out. It comes out pretty easily. I want to give you a quick view of what the factory component looks like compared to the Apex. They look very similar. The factory component is metal injection molded, or MIM manufactured. The Apex is fully machined from a billet of tool steel and then heat treated and black oxide finished. We also laser on the inside the part number and the name Apex so you can identify the part more easily. I want to show you more of the differences between the Apex and factory components. The factory one's here, of course the Apex is here. If you look as I roll it forward, you can see that we've increased surface area for purchase on the takedown lever itself. When this is in the gun, the takedown lever sits forward, so your thumb kind of rests on top of this little groove here, and then the serrations underneath allow for easier rotation up to disassemble. You'll notice a flat on the far end of the takedown lever. This little guy right here you can kind of see in the glare. I'm going to set that against the spring, and I'll use that to rotate the spring out. So I'm going to basically roll the takedown lever upward as I press in, and this will pop into the frame. Now I just have to align it on the inside of the locking block as I go to press it in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep pressure on it while I roll it up and down and maybe get myself positioned. There we go. I can feel it kind of popping in. There it goes. It'll pop into place, make sure it rolls up, and I can put the slide back on. With the takedown lever in the up position, I'm going to go ahead and roll it down to confirm it goes down where it's supposed to, and that's about the right amount of tension. It should just kind of free float until the slide's on. Roll it back up into the disconnect position. I'll put the slide on, bring her back, lock it back. Takedown lever is in position, back forward, and now I've got my takedown lever installed and ready to go. With our takedown lever installed, I want to walk through the intent of design for you. So with the slide locked back, we have serrations on the bottom and it's kind of ramped out a little bit. So it's easier to take your takedown lever down, push it up into the takedown position for disassembly. When I have it in the normal use position, you'll notice there's a little ledge on top. And when I take a high thumbs forward grip, I get a little bit of purchase from my thumb on top of there. Not a lot, but it's enough just to add a little bit. I also want to caution you that because we extended the surface of the takedown lever, this may interfere with your holster. You should consult with your holster manufacturer to make sure you have clearance for this component before you go to use it.